Kod Cro Cupa kad god svratite uvijek se trenira. Uz dobru glazbu voljom prednjači i Satoshi Ishii, japanski MMA borac i džudaško olimpijsko zlato.
Yes, I want to take Croatian citizenship. I travel around the world, Los Angeles, Las Vegas, in Brazil, Amsterdam, and I really love to live in Croatia. I found a good friend and I like Croatia.
Hrvatska je do sada imala 3 predstavnika na olimpijskim igrama, no Ishijev angažman bi sigurno bio plus.
I would love that. I want to go to teach judo and I want to help judo national team in Croatia. I like training system and positive energy.
Njemu je Hrvatska unatoč japanskim milijunima obećana zemlja. I heard you bought a flat here in Zagreb?
Yes, near gym. 2 minutes.
You're planning to live here?
Yeah, I'm planning to live here and I want to get citizenship.
Posljednja borba datira iz listopada, čeka se objava nove.
As soon as possible.
Are you in shape?
Yeah, I'm in shape. 24/7.
Is Mirko going to beat Nelson?
Yeah, he will beat him for sure.
A sad spektakl. Mr. Satoshi, we have a few questions. How big Croat you are?
Yeah.
It's a little bit test.
Okay.
So, može?
Može. Rukometačić.
Rukometašići,
And, neće snaša tamburaša.
So, what's this?
Sarma.
Oh, you like sarma?
I like sarma. Miša.
Mišo. The next one.
Politician.
Politician, yes.
I run into him.
This, Cro Cup likes this book. Do you know how? Vlak u snijegu.
Burak snijeg.
Janje.
Janica.
Janjitina.
Janicina.
This is...
Buco.
So you like Croatian singers, you know everybody.
I like, yeah, of course.
Ovo je dres od hrvatskog dragovoljca. Okay, this is Croatia. This is for you. This is Croatia. It's called, this is one of the most popular Croatian clubs, Hrvatski dragovolja.
Hrvatski dragovolja.
Very good.